Hey guys, Mix here, and as you guys can tell, the RM125 is back. And today, as you guys can tell from the title, this thing is getting a major upgrade. So I recently got a package in the mail, and as you guys can tell, some of you may know what this is, and some of you may not. But here's a little backstory. If all of you guys didn't watch the RM125 build, the carburetor on this thing has always given me problems. It has all brand new parts inside it, but it still just never really works. Like, this thing won't start at all right now. Like, I've been trying all day and like for the past week to try and get this thing to fire up, but I just can't. This carburetor is totally shot. So I went ahead and finally made the purchase, and I bought a full-on, well, I'll just show you. So I've not opened this yet, so we are both gonna be seeing it at the same time. So here we go. Hopefully this thing fits, because the last carburetor I ordered when I went ahead and bought a new one didn't even fit. But this one should be good. Oh yeah, this looks like it'll fit perfect. So here it is. I bought a full-on Mikuni TM Racing Series Performance carburetor, and this thing should work mint because this one is a flat slide, and flat slides only work for this bike. The other one I bought was had a rounded top, and it just was going up against the frame and didn't even work, but this one should be perfect. So today we're going to be installing this onto the bike, and hopefully it'll get it started and make it run way better than it ever has. It really should. So I'm super excited to install this, and let's get started. Alrighty, so this should be a pretty easy install. I'm just going to pull off the fuel line quick, and I just got to take it off of the reeds and the air box, pull that thing out, and take out the throttle cable, then just replace it with the new one. Hopefully it's easy. The last one I said should be easy, and it literally took like 5 hours, so. But I have hopes with this one. Alright, so I have the old carburetor out, and here's the little side-by-side comparison. I mean, they look almost identical based, just with all the details and everything on the carburetor itself. But this one probably is a little bit more modern. But other than that, they were pretty identical. But let's put this to the side, and now let's start hooking up the new carburetor. The hardest part for me always is getting the air box back onto the carburetor when installing carburetors. That's always the hardest part for me. I don't know if it is for other people, but every single time it always takes me forever to get this on. Finally got this thing all buttoned up and ready to go. So I'm about to turn on fuel for the first time. Let it flow into the carb. Hopefully nothing leaks at all. But guys, now I'm going to try and start this thing up. This thing hasn't started in a really long time, so it should take a couple kicks. It'll be even better if it starts right up. Let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that this thing will start and run way better than it ever has. I went ahead and turned the bike around for your viewing pleasure. Here we go. Gotta give it a couple slow kicks. Alright, here we go. Forgot to choke. Alright guys, so it is running right now. It started pretty much right up, but I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then once it's warm, I'm gonna mess around with the idle. This car is gonna need to be lowered a little bit, but it sounds really good. Check the leaks. Oh yeah, it looks great. Lower it down a little. Alrighty guys, so as you guys just saw, when I tried to turn the screw, the idle wasn't changing at all. So that could be, I was just thinking maybe the cable's a little bit too short in the throttle and it's not closing down all the way. Because when I give it throttle, it doesn't snap back like it should. Like you don't hear any snapback in the carburetor. So that kind of sucks. I mean, it's not idling that high, but I am gonna have to go ahead and take that back off and fix it. It's just a little bit too high for me. I could definitely tell already how much better it's already running. I do want to go ahead and just take it for a little cruise around the yard just to really feel everything out. Oh my god, I was not expecting it to have that much of a power increase. That's why I wasn't wearing a helmet or anything. Always wear a helmet. But guys, I do not know why I did not buy this carburetor sooner. The bike feels completely different. I think it is running a little bit rich. I'd rather have it more rich than lean, obviously, so it doesn't blow up. But holy cow, this bike is an absolute monster now. The next time we go to the track, I should be ripping way harder because this thing, oh my god. I cannot get over this. When I just gave it a little throttle, I had to slam on the brakes so I didn't go through my fence. But holy, oh my god. Man, this bike, oh man. I'm speechless right now. But if you guys have an RM125 and can't find a carburetor, Mikuni TM series performance carb, I give it a thumbs up. Or thumbs up, not, you know. So I know that this video is probably a little bit short because carburetor installs are pretty quick. But as you guys know, with the free pit bike build series, we ran into the issue of the whole Supermoto tire and rim conversion, everything like that. It's just not working out. But I got in touch with 50 Stunt, some of you guys may know them, and they actually hooked me up with a company that sells Supermoto tires with them. So videos with that should be coming soon. I'm gonna go order that as soon as I'm done with this video. But I know that a lot of you guys said that that the tires will fit. And if you guys saw last video, you guys saw that I brought it to a local performance shop and everything like that, and they said that the tires will not fit. But I did go ahead and put one of the rims onto the tires, and well, this is why this doesn't fit. So that is awesome. I'm kidding, this is awful. But those tires that 50 Stunt hooked me up with should work. So I'm really hoping, because I really want to work on that pit bike and get that thing street legal and everything like that. But in the meantime, we can work on the RM, the NASCAR. Quick update with the NASCAR too. I know a lot of you guys were saying to add a new engine, like a sport bike engine on it. That would be really cool. But this engine is just, it runs great and everything. And these actually can supposedly go up to 100 miles per hour and 120 with built engines. I know this one could probably go 60, but I'm sure it could go way quicker because right now it is geared for low end torque. And as you guys know, when you gear an engine for low end torque, you lose some of your high end torque or high end power. But I definitely want to take this thing out on the street soon. Probably am going to be bringing it to a car show once it's all good looking and everything. Maybe get some cool reactions, who knows. But anyway guys, I'm going to be ending the video here. Actually, I'm not going to be ending the video here because it is actually the next day and I have actually edited all of what you guys have seen so far already. And this video is just a little bit too short to just leave you guys off with just an 8-minute video. So I'm going to go ahead and edit in a couple clips from a little ride that I did with Kyle and Dylan. You guys probably both know them. But it was a super short ride, but it was really fun. I sent the pit bike, pretty much the hardest I've ever sent it. I've never hit any type of jump before, and I was hitting like these little baby jumps, but they felt pretty huge to me. And we also had a couple crashes go on. It was a fun day. But I'm going to go ahead and put in those clips now and enjoy the rest of the video. Kyle's going to hit the jump.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wait, there was a stick.
Frick. Are you okay though?
Yeah.
Oh, your brake lever's not.
I believe I can fly.
Oh, what a save!
Let her rip, tater chip!
Hey! Sunday! guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. Stay tuned for awesome videos coming soon. And guys, we are just growing so much. We are now at 21,000 subscribers. So thank you guys once again for all the support. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and tell your friends about the channel.